Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Really quickie video today. Got this old pop-up here. She's about 30 years old. I'll try to get you close up. We'll see how this works. Okay, you see that spot right there? That is a hole. This is aluminum top. And aluminum doesn't rust, but it does corrode. And it will corrode a hole in it. Flatten that back up. Usually you'll see this if you get some moisture inside. I think that's what causes this. You get moisture on the inside and the outside and it'll corrode a hole in it. So we need to fix this. We need to fix this. No, we're not going to put a new aluminum top on this. I am going to use Eterna-bond tape. I think this is a good place to use Eterna-bond because it's not a flat surface, so we can't use Dicor. Dicor would just run off, and I think it looks worse than this. So let me show you what we're going to do. We got 2, 3, 4, 5. There's another one. It's like 6 spots. And yeah, we could just go all the way across the whole back of it with the Eterna-bond, but I think we're just going to do the spots. If the gentleman comes pick it up and he doesn't like it, then we can pull that little bit off because it's not going to be that much, and we can do the whole back if he wants to, whatever he wants to do. But for right now, he's not here. I'm going to do what I want to do. So let me show you what I'm going to do, because that's what I want to do. I'm actually going to, I think I'm going to make little ovals, just because I think it'll look better. So I'm going to take my handy dandy scissors, and we're going to make ovals out of this. Something about like this. Oh, y'all can't even see. I'm famous for that, ain't I? I should start a YouTube channel and show everybody how good I am at video and stuff. Right? Because I'm like an expert. Yeah, just make ovals like that and put it on the spots. So we'll make those. And I'm going to use brake cleaner to CarQuest Advanced Auto brand cleaner. Just clean what we have to because this might take that paint off. I don't know if you can see it, but they have already taken the paint off. This camper's set for several years and it had lichens on it, and they washed the lichens off, but it took the paint off. So so yeah, we're try our best not to take any more paint off. But let me show you right here what I'm going to do. I think this is the biggest hole, so we will just put our oval here. And you know what? I'm gonna have to make a little bigger oval because I got like 3 holes right here together. That might be another one there. Jeez. Maybe I should just do the whole back. Oh, I hate to do that. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. So we can do a larger oval and cover those 3. This one will cover that one will cover that one. I don't know. Anywho, let's show you here. Got a nice clean rag, and we'll just spray a little brake cleaner on there and wipe it off. Okay, good. It's not taking the paint off any more than they did already. It's always a bit of a concern. So yeah, let me get some more ovals cut, and then we'll stick one on here. I'll show you how you do that. because I think this is a perfect place to use Eterna-bond tape. It has its uses. You know, I've done videos where I say I don't like it, but it has its uses. So here's one of my things. What do you think? You agree with me? Think I'm an idiot? I don't know. Tell me down there in the comments. You will, I know. We got this clean, got my ovals cut. Let's get the protective paper. I don't know what they call this off the back of it. That's what covers the sticky part. Sometimes this is the hardest part about using Eterna-bond is getting that paper started peeling off. There we are. Easy peasy. All right. We're gonna put it right over the hole. Now, Eterna-bond tape. And I will clean this. I already checked, and that will clean off. It's just I've been carrying this tape around the truck forever. You know, I don't know what is a 100-foot roll. It lasts me for several years. It is pressure activated. So you have to roll it with something. I got an old barn door wheel, and you have to roll it because it, like I say, it won't really stick until you put pressure on it. More than just rubbing it with your hand. But I mean, they sell rollers for this now. When I bought my first Eterna-bond tape, they didn't sell roller for it. So I went and bought this at Lowe's, and I've been using it ever since. So that's all there is to it. Let me see how it's gonna clean up. Oh yeah, look at that. Bright as white as it can be. So yeah, I told you it's gonna be a quickie. That's all I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put the rest of the patches on, and we'll see what the customer thinks when he sees it. So I'll send him a picture of it, see what he thinks. So that's it. Don't y'all send me a picture. Send me a comment, a criticism, or a concern down below. And I'm not gonna go fix another one today because it's supper time. I'm gonna go home and eat supper. So y'all have a fantastic day. Yeah, I thought I'd show you the finished product. Yeah, I mean, it's a 30-year-old pop-up. So, yeah, it ain't like he's gonna be entering it in any RV shows. So there's the fix I came up with. Let me know how you would have fixed this. We'll catch you later.